First, open the Amazon website on your computer and sign into your account. At the top of the page, move your mouse over Account and Lists, then click your lists from the menu. You'll see the different lists you've created on your Amazon account. Click the list that you want to rename to open it. Once the list is open, look near the top of the page for the three-dot menu next to the list options. Click it, then select Manage List. A settings window or page will appear with information about your list. Find the list name field and click inside it. Delete the current name and type the new name you want to use for your list. You can also update other list details here if needed. When you're finished, click Save Changes. Amazon will save the new name, and when you return to your lists, you'll see your list with the updated name.